All right, what's going down, y'all? So happy Monday. Hope everybody had a great start of the week. Actually, I'm tripping. Today's Tuesday. My bad. Happy Tuesday. Forgot yesterday was a little holiday or whatever. Anyways, hope y'all having a great Tuesday. We walked away with a little over 100 today. You know, finished the last trade was about 550, near 600. So, you know, we got our money back, walked away with a little bit. But yeah, so real nice and quick. Let's get into the breakdown of the trades, see how it played out, and then I'll show you the 550 banger. All right, so first trades we took were on oil. Was waiting for it to get out of this range. Hopped in on the break and retest, and yeah, price did go where I wanted it to go, but they liquidated real quick. Came up to retest this area and then some. Another bad entry on that one. That's pretty straightforward. But yeah, hopped in on the break and retest. And then technically I would have cleared 50 ticks. Yeah, I would have cleared if I would have if they wouldn't have liquidated and just went down. But as you can see, I mean, they were doing crazy stuff. They were trying to get it down. I thought I was going to fill this imbalance right around here. But yeah, the pullbacks were insane. And then, you know, I was like, okay, here's another second trade. Played off the trend line. Right, and they stopped going down. It was just, I was over oil at that point. You know what I mean? I'm like, all right, you guys aren't trying to fill the imbalance. You guys have other plans. So those are the first two trades I took. All right, let's get into the ES. All right, so for the ES, price broke out. I was just waiting for a retest, never got it. Did a pullback and hopped into this pullback right here. It was just kind of consolidating and then shot out, and then I hopped in. I took some profit on this. Like, it was just doing crazy moves on this down candle, and then I was like, let me get some of my money back from oil, and then just wait for another setup. So, you know, they pulled back, went up, crazy bar, and then I saw them break this level. And also, as you can see in the replay, it hasn't broken the 21 or anything like that. So I hopped in, no questions asked, and yeah, just pretty much rode it up about 47 ticks. Now I started trailing, which is nice. I trailed the 9, and then I trailed the 21. So I kept moving my stop loss up. I was trying to clear to see if they're going to take it to the highs. I have a supply zone around 43.35. So I was just waiting for them to go up. Saw them starting to struggle and reject, and then I just kept my, you know, my stop loss around the 21 EMA. And yeah, that was the trade that pretty much got all my money back and then put me in some profit. So what I'm going to be looking for next is just to see if they're going to rally it back up. They have brought it back down. They brought price back down. If we look on the 15-minute, this just kind of looks like a pullback to me on the 15-minute. You know what I mean? They might want to fill this imbalance from earlier. That's kind of what I'm going to be looking for. I want to see what London's going to do with it. I want to see if they're going to take it up or if they're going to push it back down. But either way, I feel like we're still in a strong uptrend from earlier, pretty much from Friday. And I have 4-hour supply and demand zones plotted out. Going to be watching price real closely when it gets around there. But until then, yeah, I feel like this is just a pullback. You know what I mean? If we take the fib retracement, we go from this low to this high, we can see they pulled back around the 50% line. Might even test the 6180, but we're still in the uptrend. So I'll be looking for longs tomorrow, and we just gonna see what happens. You know what I mean? Gonna see how London plays it out. You know what I mean? We're gonna get the money. We're gonna get the money. Yeah, so that's pretty much a quick breakdown. If y'all have any questions, let me know. And yeah, I'll just catch y'all tomorrow. All right. See you in the green.